Hey there, how's it going? Today is actually the 1st of January, by the way. This one is my very extra video. When I started this look, I had no idea where I was starting, no idea where I was gonna go. I just knew I wanted a lot of like glam in it and a lot of shimmer. I hope you guys have a really good, great day. You're ready for the New Year, New Me series. And that's probably gonna end at the end of January, so hopefully this isn't the first and only video that goes up this month. Now on to the video. Y'all see a net in the video? Just know they're getting on my nerves, and lately there has been nets. Bro, I thought my eyebrow was a gnat for a minute. Long story short, I love the whole New Year, New Me vibe. I wanted to do a makeup version of New Year, New Me. I also wanted to kind of throw like a twist on these New Year, New Me vibes and like make them based all around one subject, if you get what I mean. I'm not making it specifically like, oh, only highlights or only bronzer or only foundations. I'm not gonna do that. That would be hard if we did an only foundations challenge. I mean, but that would be pretty interesting. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm going to be using regular foundation, regular bronzer. Also, may I mention my mermaid friend with me. If you guys are familiar with what she looks like, yes, she is a Squashmallow. Just hop into the video before I keep rambling. As this video starts, you know, we all gotta start with our brows and then we can go into the eyes. I just got this eyebrow stuff all over my fingers. Oh, wow. I have no idea what type of makeup look I'm gonna do. I'm just kind of gonna go with it. Do any of you, like, whenever you go back to clean your eyebrows, do y'all ever feel like sometimes like the eyebrow stuff looks like boo-boo? Or is that just me? Late night thoughts. I crack myself up. Well, I'm gonna go back and clean these honeys up. I found the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced at TJ Maxx. Thought you guys should know. I bought it for $8. We're gonna do my eyes now. Start, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics contour palette for shade, and I'm just gonna go into my crease with it. So now I'm gonna take concealer and I'm gonna go on my eyelid with it and blend it out. I am going to use one of my glow kits. I now have the Dream Glow kit and I have the Moonchild Glow kit as well. But I also have the sugar and the regular sun-dipped glow kits too. I'm going to start with one of these, maybe the Dream one, just because I don't think I've used it on here before. Very fun and pretty colors. I don't think I've really done like a true purple on here, so I'm thinking ethereal. I've done pinks before, so I'm thinking kind of the green and purple, kind of like my mermaid friend over there. I'm going to start by picking up ethereal. Unfortunately, it gets everywhere. I'm gonna put it on like the center part of my eyelid towards the outer part, as well as the inner corner. To help me out, I have my NYX Jumbo pencil in lavender, and I'm going to go right on this side and then put the ethereal highlighter right back on top. And I think for the center part, I'm going to use my other NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Yogurt. There you go. Dip into Magic. Magic is more of the green pinky shade. We're gonna go right in the center of the lid. I felt nothing but like dust all over me. It's not as green as I had hoped. This is my NYX eyeshadow in the shade Mermaid. It's actually really broken. I'm just gonna dip my finger in there a couple times to pull out that green shade. Let's see if this works better.
Ooh, I like this. Okay.
That's working so much better for me. I'm gonna take the crease brush and I'm gonna kind of blend out the top again. Exactly what we did to this side, but without all the struggle, we're gonna do this side. I'm going to dip into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is one of the Vault palettes. This one is in Ring the Alarm. I'm gonna take Secret and Framed and I'm gonna go pretty much on my outer V and kind of lightly go inward. Now I'm gonna take both shades mixed, barely get this inner corner right here. Before I finish the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Ginormosaurus brush and like get all this crap off my under eye, and then I'm gonna apply foundation. But because my Wet n Wild foundation is a little bit too bright for me, I'm gonna go back in with my Pro Matte L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm gonna mix the two. Oh yeah, blend with your beauty blender. For my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way. Yes, it's a really too white for me, but it doesn't take a lot. In case you're wondering, like, girl, you're dragging your concealer way too far down. Yes, I know, it's for an effect. I'm going to use this to go over everywhere where I highlighted my face just to kind of help set it. It is a couple shades lighter than what or a shade lighter than what I normally am, but like I said, it's just to kind of set it in place. I'm going back into my contour palette and I'm going to use a mix of the second shades from the right and left. I'm going to use a mix of them to do my contour and bronzer-ish, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to use a fan brush. Why? Because I haven't done it. Taking my bigger fluffy brush, I'm going to take the second lightest shade, and I'm going to contour my nose with it. I'm going to go over it with my beauty blender just to kind of soften it up some. To do highlight, I'm going to be using the Moonchild palette. I wanted to use both of these palettes into a look, and I think this look is going to be suitable for it. Kind of using a small tapered brush. I'm going to use a mix of Pink Heart and Blue Eyes for my nose highlight. In case you guys forgot, I like to do the tip of my nose, just like so, and then just a small part of the bridge of my nose. I kind of leave a gap just because it kind of gives a small button effect. I'm also going to use that same combo to do my inner corner highlight, as well as my eyebrow highlight. Regular highlight, I think I'm going to be using, maybe I'll do Lucky Clover and Pink Heart mix. I'm gonna go into my blush kit and I'm going to take the darker shade for sure and go over top my highlight on my apples of my cheeks. I feel like I have way too much blush, so I'm gonna kind of blend that out. I'm going to take the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place and I'm going to take the shade Kia. I'm gonna go on my lower lash line with her. Well, last but not least, we're going to do wing liner and some lashes. So these are the Raven lashes by Kiss. They are the Halloween edition type of lashes. They are part of the Spirit Animal line, and we're going to be using those today. So long story short, my man's got me two Kylie lip kits for Christmas this year, and my favorite freaking one by far is the shade 20. So that's the shade we're gonna put on. With these lashes, you can't even see the eyeshadow I did. Bruh, you can't even see the freaking I'm gonna try the whole big lip thing. So just so you guys know, this is my real lip line, this is over lip line. I'm gonna do one last thing, I swear guys. Okay, so I bought this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. This is in the shade Dragon's Glow. Look at that. Oh, by the way, my hair was red, but it's fading. You guys should also let me know what color you think I should do next, because my hair's fading. I just want to say thank you guys for watching New Year, New Me extra. That's what I'm gonna call this look. That you're ready for 2020 and that this year goes really, really well for you guys. I'm kind of living for this metallic look. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next New Year, New Me video. Bye guys!